guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Astrid from How to Train Your Dragon on Dress to Impress. This is the cartoon version. I haven't seen the movie one to be able to do this fully correctly, so I'm just going to remove everything here. Hopefully I remember stuff because sometimes I just don't remember what I wore. I use this hair in blonde EEBF9C, just this one. Then these bangs in that same color. No adjustments made. Actually, I did rotate the X to 0.51, so just like the slightest amount of adjustments. You do need VIP for this. So first I'm going to get this top here and I'm going to color it this red, 5A0B0C, and then I'm going to get this top here in cropped in fur. So I'm going to color the, first of all, this red, and then this one, this color, A9947F, and then that red again. Then I'm going to get this armor in, I think like this gray. Oh my gosh, I forgot which gray I used. I'll just do this. And then for this one, I'm going to do the skin tone color in matte. And then, actually, I'll do the skin tone. And then we will need this for gloves in this color. Did I do this or I did a darker one? I think I did like a darker color for the like sleeves part, so do that. And then I used this in fur, and then I used this again. Well, I used this color, and then this, and then that, and then the fur color again. Hold on, let me see if... Okay, I think I might do the sleeves like this dark color. I don't know if it's too dark, but we'll stick with that. And then I also use this in like black and kind of a gray color. Maybe like a lighter gray so you can see that. And then I also used the belt as well here from VIP in black matte and also in gray. I adjusted this a little bit by placing it up here and scaling it a little bit, just a little, like that-ish kind of vibe. Then I used this. I made it a little bit darker. And then I also used these boots here in this color. Hold on, let me see if I remember. Okay, I used, I think this and then that. And then for the fur I used this here. And then this. And then I think that again. And then I also used the fur leg warmers in the same color as before. I think I'm going to again make it darker. Like so. And then I also used, where is the other shoe? Oh, this one here. Use the dark color first. And then here I just use like the lighter color for the top of the fur. And then I just use this for an accessory. And yeah, that is it for this video. I just colored it this color and then like this. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I just accidentally deleted it. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.